The Technium FD range of spinning reels from Shimano feature XGT7 body material. Now this stuff is 200% stronger than the XT7 material that it replaces. They also have AeroWrap 2 oscillation that lays the line beautifully for longer casts, particularly when combined with this ARC spool design. The line just peels off whether it's mono or braided. There are 3 sets of shielded bearings, and they come in a range of sizes to suit everything from ultralight to mid-range spinning. The Technium FD range from Shimano. Check them out.